Hello and welcome to Exciting Earnings. YouTube has become a dominant platform for creators to share their ideas, grow their brands, and even generate full-time income. With over 2.5 billion active users every month, it's a space bursting with opportunities. However, succeeding on YouTube isn't as easy as pressing record and uploading your content. The competition is fierce, and staying ahead means avoiding common pitfalls that many creators fall into. In this guide, we'll dive into the top 10 mistakes YouTubers must avoid in 2025 to grow their channels effectively, build lasting audiences, and thrive on the platform. 1. Ignoring new trends. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is failing to adapt to the latest trends. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, and YouTube is no exception. In 2025, trends like YouTube Shorts, AI-assisted content creation, and niche-driven content dominate the scene. Shorts, in particular, have become a powerful tool for growth. These bite-sized videos help creators reach new audiences and funnel traffic to their long-form content. If you're ignoring these trends, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to stay relevant. To stay ahead, make it a habit to monitor trends in your niche. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ can help you identify what's gaining traction. Keep an eye on YouTube's Creator Insider channel for updates, as they often share valuable insights into algorithm changes and new features. The key is to experiment with emerging formats and incorporate them into your strategy early, while competition is still low. Adapting to trends shows your audience you're in tune with the current landscape and keeps them coming back for more. 2. Poor thumbnail and title strategy. Your thumbnail and title are the first things potential viewers see, and they play a critical role in whether someone clicks on your video. A poorly designed thumbnail or a vague title can severely hurt your click-through rate CTR. Many creators make the mistake of rushing this process, leading to content that never gets the views it deserves. In 2025, the importance of eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles cannot be overstated. For thumbnails, use bold, high-contrast colors, minimal text, and high-resolution images. Think of your thumbnail as a movie poster. It should intrigue viewers and make them want to watch. For titles, focus on clarity and curiosity. Avoid generic phrases like tips for beginners and opt for something more specific like 10 beginner mistakes you must avoid as a photographer. Test multiple variations of thumbnails and titles to see which performs better using tools like A/B testing in YouTube Studio. 3. Neglecting mobile optimization. Did you know that more than 70% of YouTube views now come from mobile devices? If your videos aren't optimized for mobile users, you're likely losing a massive chunk of your audience. Neglecting mobile optimization is a mistake that many creators continue to make, despite the obvious shift in viewer behavior. This goes beyond just ensuring your video plays well on a phone. It's about designing every aspect of your content for smaller screens. For instance, make sure on-screen text is large and clear, as small fonts are nearly unreadable on mobile. Thumbnails should also be designed with mobile users in mind, ensuring they stand out even at smaller sizes. Lastly, consider the pacing of your videos. Mobile viewers often have shorter attention spans, so keep your content engaging from start to finish. Always preview your videos on a smartphone before uploading to ensure they look and feel great. 4. Overlooking audience engagement. Audience engagement is the lifeblood of a successful YouTube channel. In 2025, YouTube places a significant emphasis on interaction as part of its algorithm, meaning comments, likes, and shares are more valuable than ever. Ignoring your audience's comments or failing to use tools, like the Community tab, can make your viewers feel undervalued. This mistake can cost you loyal subscribers and hurt your channel's growth. Engaging with your audience doesn't have to be time-consuming. Start by replying to the first 20 to 30 comments on each video to show your audience you care about their input. Use the Community tab to share polls, updates, or behind-the-scenes content to keep your audience engaged between uploads. You can also encourage interaction within your videos by asking questions or running contests. Building a strong relationship with your viewers creates a loyal community that will support your content and share it with others. 5. Focusing solely on subscriber count. Many creators obsess over their subscriber count, believing it's the ultimate measure of success. While subscribers are important, they're not the most critical metric for growing your channel in 2025. Metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates, CTR, have a much greater impact on how your videos perform in YouTube's algorithm. Instead of chasing subscribers, focus on creating content that keeps viewers engaged. Pay attention to your average view duration and retention graphs in YouTube Studio. These metrics reveal how well your content holds viewers' attention. Additionally, prioritize click-through rates by optimizing your thumbnails and titles. Subscribers will naturally follow if your content consistently delivers value and keeps people watching. Remember, quality and engagement matter more than quantity. 6. Ignoring analytics and data. YouTube Studio offers a wealth of data to help you understand your audience and improve your content. However, many creators make the mistake of ignoring these insights and relying on guesswork. In 2025, data-driven decision-making is essential for success. Some key metrics to monitor include average view duration, traffic sources, and audience demographics. For example, if you notice a drop-off in retention at a specific point in your videos, analyze why viewers might be losing interest. Traffic sources can reveal which platforms drive the most views, helping you refine your promotional strategies. Use this data to identify patterns, replicate successful strategies, and continuously improve your content. 7. Lack of consistency. Consistency is one of the most important factors in building a successful YouTube channel. If your upload schedule is erratic, your audience won't know when to expect new content, and your channel will struggle to grow. Many creators fail to maintain consistency because they don't plan their content in advance or set realistic goals. To avoid this mistake, create a content calendar that outlines your upload schedule for the next few weeks or months. Batch film and edit multiple videos at once to stay ahead of schedule, and always prioritize quality over quantity. Even if you can only commit to one video a week, sticking to a consistent schedule builds trust with your audience and keeps them coming back. 8. Failing to niche down. It's tempting to create content on a wide range of topics, but this approach often backfires. In 2025, niche-focused channels are far more successful than general ones. By specializing in a specific area, you can build authority, attract a loyal audience, and stand out in a crowded platform. To find your niche, think about what you're passionate about and where your expertise lies. Research your chosen niche to ensure there's enough demand and competition isn't too high. Once you've established your niche, stick to it. While it's fine to experiment occasionally, your core audience should always know what to expect from your channel. Consistency within your niche helps build a strong and engaged community. 9. Not monetizing early. Many creators hesitate to activate monetization, thinking it's only worth it once they've built a large following. However, in 2025, there are more ways than ever to monetize your channel, even with a smaller audience. Waiting too long to explore these options means leaving money on the table. Beyond ad revenue, YouTube offers various monetization features, including channel memberships, super chats during live streams, and merch integrations. You can also collaborate with brands for sponsorships or use affiliate marketing to earn commissions. Start exploring monetization options as soon as you meet the requirements and diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. 10. Giving up. Too soon. Finally, the biggest mistake creators make is giving up too soon. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and patience. Many of today's top creators struggled for years before achieving their breakthroughs. If you quit after a few months of low views, you'll never know how far your channel could have gone. To stay motivated, celebrate small wins, such as reaching your first 100 subscribers or getting positive feedback on a video. Continuously learn and improve by studying successful creators in your niche and experimenting with new ideas. Remember why you started your channel in the first place. Whether it's to share your passion, build a community, or create an income stream, and let that drive you forward. Conclusion. Avoiding these common mistakes can make all the difference in your YouTube journey. By staying consistent, engaging with your audience, and leveraging data to improve, you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on creating value for your viewers, and the growth will follow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Here's to your success in 2025. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.